Alright guys, got my Battlbox finally. Ordered it almost a month ago. I imagine that it took a while because, you know, I live in Alaska. But I've been waiting a long time for this thing to come in. I'm pretty excited. So let's set you up right here on my dash. First thing I found when I opened the box was this bugger. It's a Condor camping axe. It's got some weight to it. Comes with a little sheath and everything. That leather, maybe fake leather. It's nice though. All-purpose, water-resistant tarp. Chargeable flashlight. Pretty awesome. Bug bomb. Repellent. Limb lines. For fishing. A little micro knife, that's cool. Or, oh, it's a knife. Not a knife, I mean. Or it is. Dang it, I dropped it. Probably gonna break this. It looks like a lighter, maybe. I have no idea what this is. Seatbelt cutter. There you go. Breaks windows. Comes with a little key ring for it. And this guy. Nature's Grill. Eco-friendly and biodegradable outdoor cooking. Single use to disposal, ready in 5 minutes. Now, I did order an extra knife in the mystery box to go with it, but I never received it. I sent Battlbox an email letting them know, like, hey, where's my stuff? We'll see when it gets here, and I'll post that next.